Now, Waxahachie is no stranger to the spooky. Across town is an even spookier home that isn't inhabited by ghosts, but by Frankenstein, his wife, along with a goofy vampire grandpa, all at 1313 Mockingbird Lane. Address for the Munsters Mansion.
Oh,
Hi.
this is a trip.
Welcome to the Munster Mansion.
This is owner and Munsters maniac, Sandra McKee.
What inspires someone to build an exact replica of the Munster Mansion?
Well, I grew up with watching the Munsters, of course, and we restored an old house in town, and I wanted to build a new house, but I didn't want it to look new. And I started researching, and we went by watching all 70 episodes over and over. And here we are. No blueprints, nothing.
The Munsters TV show ran from 1964 to 1966, following a creepy yet kooky family of monsters. Sandra studied the shows. Okay, Sandra obsessed over the shows, watching how many steps the actors took between doorways and furniture. She even built the family pet spot, a home under the stairs.
So this is exact replica.
The living room is identical to the show. I mean, everything all the way down from, of course, my organ. That was very important to have the exact organ like in the show.
You guys have just nailed it. It's incredible.
And of course, we do have the dungeon over here. Grandpa had to have his dungeon.
Yeah.
Sandra has bought lots of actual props from the show that are sprinkled about, like this dining room set.
This is the same fish that Marilyn and Herman Munster sat down to eat?
Well, yes, it is. Of course it is. The kitchen is really one of the most important rooms in the house, I believe. And they showed it in every single episode, and as you see, there's Lily.
You feel like you're on a Disney set. Like you could remake the Munsters right now.
I would do it. I would do it, yes.
We've got a camera crew. All right. Who's Grandpa?
I call Herman.
Herman.
Grandpa. Joan Arc has to be Lily.
So yeah, I'm Eddie? All right, great. That's fine.
Every room unlocks a memory in the cobwebbed vault of my brain, from Eddie's room to Lily and Herman's canopied bed. And you don't have to be a Munsters geek to appreciate this place.
Your picture's crooked. You might need to fix that.
In here is Marilyn's room. But
Daylight.
Yes, daylight in here, yes. And we do have a little secret passageway that goes in from this room into Grandpa's room.
Yep, secret passageways.
How'd y'all get here?
Some of the original cast members have come to visit Sandra's home, and they can't believe it.
Grandpa Munster and Eddie Munster came, and Grandpa came through the house and he had tears in his eyes, and he started talking about how many memories it's brought back.
Oh,
Yeah.
he was my favorite character.
Yeah.
Are you finding there are less and less Munster fans still, or
No, I'm finding there's more and more Munster fans.
Really?
There are just tons of Munster fans out there.
And I guess with the binge watching habits nowadays, everything is archived. We can just pound through 70 episodes,
Yes.
so we're all up to date.
In that regard, I suppose the Munsters will never die. But if you come to this home on a different night, well, you may meet the opposite fate.
This is my murder mystery dining room. We do murder mystery dinners once a month. It is a lot of fun.
I'm gonna be back
I've
for one of
enjoyed
these.
I'm gonna hold you to that.
Oh, you will, with these guys. We're all coming in.
Yeah.
Richie's the murderer, I already know it. He did it.
Now, lots of folks have dreams of building the places from their favorite movies and shows, but leave it to a Texan to be crazy enough to actually do it.
I realize there's still like half the Munsters episodes I haven't seen. So I could be here a little while. Y'all just keep moving ahead.